Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, whatever you guys celebrate. I know I haven't been very active on my channel lately. I have a good reason, I swear, but that is not for this video. I will definitely be talking about that in my next video that is going to be coming up. I'm going to do like a chatty get ready with me, so be on the lookout for that if you are curious as to where I've been, what my life has been up to, and some exciting things that are happening maybe. So yeah. But this video for today is about my BOXYCHARM that I just got. And if you are curious as to why I get my BOXYCHARM so early, is because they do send me these boxes. I don't have to pay for them. They actually send them to me for free because I am a boxy babe. So that is why I get to tell you guys all the goodies that are in here. And I know that they did a reveal, but they did also say it was variation 1. So I don't know if there's anything different in this box, but we're gonna open this bad boy up, try some stuff, and we will see what I think about the box. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so first thing in the box is this little card. I think this is a really cute theme because, you know, rock 2018, and it's like a heavy metal rock thing. Okay, maybe it's just me, whatever. But let's just jump right into the box. So the first thing I see is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. And I'm excited to try this just because I ran out of my previous primer that I was using. But if you guys don't know, I do have oily skin, so this kind of scares me just a little bit. I do wish BOXYCHARM would include a little bit more products for the non-dry skin people. So I am super excited to try this out. I mean, we'll see how it goes. And this retails for $38. And this is actually this is a pretty big primer. My last primer didn't bring this much, so. Next up, we have the Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. And this is from IT Cosmetics. And this is a $24 pencil. Oh, it's like thick. You see like the thickness there? I would definitely have to try this out. For sure. I mean, if you're the type of person that likes really thin brow pencils, so that you can get like those lines in. I'm not one of those people, so I don't mind a thick brow pencil. But if you're definitely one of those people that like a thin pencil, you probably wouldn't like this, but I think I'm going to get a great use out of it. It definitely looks like a good color match for me. I mean, it's universal, so I guess this should be a good color match for everyone. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this, obviously. If you guys haven't been to my channel before, you probably don't know this, but I am obsessed with my eyebrows, and I do them even if I'm like just going to the store. Like, I can't leave my house without doing my eyebrows. It's just a thing I have. So I love me a good eyebrow pencil. Alright, next up we have the Pure the Complexion Authority Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. Okay. I think it's closed. Oh, there's tape. Hold on. Got it. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay. So I think I would use this as a bronze. Ooh. Never mind. I'm not gonna use that as a bronzer. Oh my god. I feel like I'd be too scared. Like, let's try it. I'm a little scared. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm a little scared. I mean, I have bronzer on, so I can't really tell if it's doing anything. I mean, I also picked up like the most minuscule thing ever because I'm a little scared. I mean, I think if you pick up like a dab of it and blend it out nicely, I think it looks pretty nice, and that's like a really nice color. I mean, to me. Let's try the highlight because I love me a good highlight. I already have a really strong highlight on. Let me. Oh, hello. I think this is probably just as strong as the highlight I have on right now. Yeah, for sure. Cause I'm trying to put it on parts that I like don't have my blinding highlight. Let's try it on the skin. Oh yeah. And this is really pretty because it still gives you that golden sheen to it. I love new highlighters. It's just a thing I have. So good job for Pure. I will definitely try out this blush soon, just not today because I have enough blush as it is. I know it doesn't read on camera, but like in person I look like I'm a tomato. I don't know what's happening. That palette was $34. I'm not sure if I mentioned that already, but if I did, I'm mentioning it again. It was 34 bucks. Okay, so now we are moving on to the Girlactik matte lip paint, and this is in the color Posh. It's in the color Posh, and this retails for $23. I'm really bad at opening things. I don't know if you guys have noticed this. There we go. Ooh, okay. Alright, I like. And I'm not wearing any lip products because I knew they were gonna have a lipstick. But let's try it out. Ooh. Oh, yes. I actually really like that color. I'm gonna wait till it dries down because it feels like it's gonna be matte, but it does also feels really nice on the lips. Like it's kind of like a velvet. Like a velvet lip kind of almost. I definitely see myself wearing this. I like it. Okay. Last but not least, we have another palette. So, this is from Crown Pro, and this is the Glam Metals palette. Da 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 da. Oh wait, there's a paper. Da 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 da. Ooh. I like these. The only thing that I'm not too crazy of is that they're all shimmers. So if you want to do a look with just this palette, you probably can't because they're all shimmery. Yeah, they all got like a little sheen to them. And I'm not one to put shimmers in my crease, but I definitely would use all of these on my lids. I think I'm going to go with this one today just because I'm wearing that kind of color lipstick. So I'm just going to pop a brown into my crease and I will be right back. Alright, so we are back with some warm eyes. And if you want to know, I used my Morphe 3502 palette for my crease shade. And I used this color, this one right here. And a little bit of this one. It's like a little tiny bit, like right here. So that's that. This is like my favorite palette to take on like a trip. Doesn't matter, Janelle, off topic, whatever. So back to the Glam Metals palette. So I'm going to be taking Wild Thing, and I'm just going to take that onto a packing brush, and I'm going to wet it. Oh, wow. Alright, so that is the eyeshadow on. And I really like it. I mean, I'm not wearing like my usual makeup. This is my school makeup. So it's not like full coverage or anything. But I feel like with my glam makeup, this would look real good. Do you guys want to see like a super glam look or a like toned down, everyday take two kind of thing? Because I'm not entirely sure what to do with my chatty get ready with me, so tell me which one you guys want to see down below, and that would help me out a lot. But I definitely really like this palette. I feel like this is really handy because a lot of people don't have good shimmer shades. Oh my goodness. The Glam Metals also retails for $25. I don't think I mentioned that, and I'm going to calculate the whole box really quick. Alright, so the whole box this month, starting off the year right, it's $144. If you guys want to subscribe to BOXYCHARM, I will have a link down in my description box below. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that, it's just a subscription, but I do think you should check them out. I love BOXYCHARM. They always send such awesome products, and for $21 a month, I don't think you can beat it. But thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. If you guys want to be notified for when I post again, click that little bell down below. And while you're there, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you have not already. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!